Hey, so in this video we are going to see what are syntax in Java and what are comments in Java and some basic concept of Java. So here I am trying to say that every class should have one name and every project should have one main class and one main method, and a Java project can have many classes, but one class should be main and the name of the class should be different from the other classes, and the name is very important to introduce. So what is syntax in Java? So if you can read it, pause the video and read all the notes that I written. So syntax is the way that the Java code is written is called syntax. Example: public class, then curly bracket, then public static void main bracket string args bracket close, then curly bracket, then in the curly bracket system dot out dot print ln, and after that hello world. So this is the syntax of Java code. So syntax is the code, the way the code is written is called the syntax, the format of the code. So what are comments in Java? So comment can be used to comment a multi-line project. So here we will see practically. So first of all we will create a new project. So tell me how we will create a new project. So we will go to file, then new, then Java project, and after that we will name our project, and project name and class name should be similar. So we will write comment in Java. Alright, then hit finish. So here we can see our project folder is created, comment in Java. So we will create a new class by clicking on the arrow and then on the source folder and right click on it, and after that click on file and then create a class. Click on the class. So every project should have one main class, so name it. So I discussed in the previous video what is class. So if you want to watch the video, I will give the link in the description, so go and watch. So here we will click public static void main and then hit finish. And what is public static void main, I also discussed that in the previous video, so go and watch the video. So here we will write system.out.println, and after that I will tell what are comments. So comments are two types: single line comment and multi-line comment. If we want to comment a single line, then we use a single line comment, and if you want to use multi-line comments, then we will use multi-line comments. So why we use comment? So we use comment to make our code more readable. If we write some code and then the user is not a programmer, so he will not understand. So we will write comment so he can read it in the normal language and he can understand it. So here we printed subscribe to my channel, and we can see that is printed in our console. So here we can read what is comment in the notes. Comment can be used to explain Java code and to make it more readable. It can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. Single line comment start with two forward slashes, any text between. So after using single line comment double slash, so after the double slash all that we written in the line will be the comment. So here I will do practically. So we will write something. So we will explaining what we did here. So we are printing subscribe to my channel. So here what we are doing, we are printing it. So run it, press OK. So it will show error. So now it is showing error. Why? Because Java is not recognizing what is this. it is not the syntax of Java. So we will comment that out by writing two forward slashes. Alright, so now we will save and run it, so it will not show error. So here I am writing Java will not run this command. Alright, now we will run it and see did it show error or not. It's not showing error, and subscribe to my channel is printing in our console. So it is a basic concept of Java comment, and sometimes comments are really useful. But if you want to comment some big paragraph or some multi-lines, so what we are going to do, we are going to see what are multi-line comment. If you want to comment some 200 line, so what you are doing by doing line by line, it take much time and more effort, and no one wants to do that. So we will use multi-line comment for that. So I will print system.out.println for 4 more times, and we will comment that one by one. So if we comment that one by one, it will take more time, and this is called the single line comment process. So by using this also become a comment, and if we run it, it will not show error. But it is not the way Java is programmed. So what we will do, we will comment all of that by one. So here we will write forward slash and star, and at the end we will write star and forward slash. So between all the codes will become a comment, star and a forward slash. So if we run, it will not show error, and only once subscribe to my channel will be printed. And if we remove that here and then run it, so here 5 times subscribe to my channel printed, because we printed it 5 more times. So these are called multi-line comment. Multi-line comment are much more useful if you're writing more programming codes. So multi-line comments are very useful. So if you write for 50 line of code, and then you want to give a brief description of your code, so you can use multi-line comment and give a brief description of your code to the user. So run it. So here we can see with the example. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.